Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with our Twirlywoos toys and our Food Fun ABC fridge. And we have all of these letters with pictures of foods and letters. Let's open the fridge. There are 3 buttons: foods, colors, and letters. I see lots of fruits and vegetables. Then we have our breads and grains, meat and fish, milk and dairy, and then fats and sweets. And you know I love to have a little sweet once in a while after my fruits and vegetables, of course. I'm going to have my favorite orange candy today. Have the letter A for apple. Let's put it on our Food Fun fridge and see what happens.
This is a red apple.
Great Big Who loves vegetables, especially green broccoli.
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Chickadee loves a nice juicy orange. O for orange.
Put in a food piece. Orange. Learn foods with me.
Chick loves to eat nuts, like almonds, cashews, and peanuts.
Eat plenty of vegetables. Nuts.
Peekaboo loves a nice big bowl of rice. So do my kids. And they put yeast flakes on to add some flavor.
Rice.
Don't forget to stay hydrated and drink water every single day. I avoid using plastic water bottles. They aren't good for the earth. Instead, I have my rainbow metallic reusable water bottle. Keeps my water cold and it tastes so good. We better shut the fridge. We don't want to waste any energy.
Bye.
Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Don't forget, look for the Dora backpack somewhere in the video. You can go back and have a look. Goodbye.